Do you know that there is a high demand product that most Zazzle sellers completely missing out on? Even better, it is easy to rank a new page with the right search term. Why wait? Let's start creating and listing this product right now to seize the moment. The product that we are creating is customizable notebook. According to SEMrush, a free keyword tool, this product is currently in demand and easy to rank. But this doesn't mean there are no products created for this query. When you come to Zazzle, you will see like close to 500,000 products created in general in this category. But here is the kicker. Most Zazzle sellers are not targeting the right keywords that includes the searcher's query, like paper format, size, and so on. This clearly shows the gap in the Zazzle marketplace. As you can see here, people are searching using specific terms like wide ruled, college ruled, and so on. This is a good indication that if you are using the right keyword and design aesthetically pleasing cover, you will have a massive opportunity to stand out and dominate this niche in Zazzle marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I'm creating this in-demand notebook, optimize them for search engines, and make them irresistible with eye-catching mockups. I believe this is the kind of insight that can take your Zazzle store to the next level. So stay tuned until the end if you want to learn more. Before we jump into designing our cover, there is a key consideration we need to take in mind, that is understand your target audience design preference. We know now people are searching for spiral bound notebooks, but the real question is what kind of design will catch their eyes. This is where knowing your audience makes all the difference. In this example that I am showing you, I use the AI generated beautiful bold watercolor floral pattern since I am targeting women who enjoy pattern and would like to add a touch of flair to their everyday life. So when you are creating your design, think about the color patterns and themes that resonate with your target audience. Are they drawn to vibrant, bold design, or do they prefer something more subtle and minimalist? Also consider current trends, seasonal themes, and what's popular in other related markets. Nowadays, you don't need to be an artist to create and sell products like this. You can use AI like I do here. Use altered free stock image. Mind I said altered here. When you are using stock image, please don't download and paste it as it is. You can use Inkscape, the free graphics editor software, to alter. This will help you stand out from the crowd, bringing a unique design into the marketplace. If you have a budget to spend, you can buy elements from sites like Creative Fabrica. I have included links in the description below. These are affiliate links, so if you make a purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support the channel and allow me to keep creating contents like this. Thank you for your support. Once you are happy with the design, the next step is uploading it to your Zazzle design tool. If you are familiar to Zazzle, unless you want to stay, you are welcome to skip the next step. I have chapter in the description. But if you are new to Zazzle, there are two ways to create product. One from the main page by using the create button, and the next other is by using store backend. Here I am in my store backend. I go to product and hit create new product. This will take me to this page, and then I choose the products that I want to design. In this case, it is a notebook. I go to the office and business category. If you don't know the right category, you can search the products that you want to create. These are the type of notebook Zazzle offers. We are going to choose the custom notebook with our preferred size. I choose 8.5 by 11 inch. As I click, it will take me to the product listing page. There it says customize this design. When you click that, it will take you to the design tool. Here you can customize your design. I have other video, I go in detail how you can use Zazzle design tool. So I will link it below and above. You can watch that later. But for now, we need to upload our design to the design tool. So click this upload button, then you can upload it from the computer file you saved it earlier on. Here is my design. Give it a moment until it loads. Once you have your design, sometimes your design might not cover the whole area. In this case, you can use this fit and fill button to adjust the design area to cover the whole design, but sometimes also you can use the right corner to pull for your desired amount. One of the best features that Zazzle has, unlike other print-on-demand sites, is its personalization feature. When you can use this feature to maximize your revenue. For instance, I don't know what to write here, but I can simply say notes and make this text a template object so that the customer can have access to use these to mean whatever they want. Not only that, by doing that, they will have access to go to the design tool to manipulate the design as it pleases them by changing the color of the font and the font itself. But make sure to stay inside the green line if you have text elements and enough room on the text boundaries. Then check your design. I think we are ready to move on to the next step. So hit done and list it for sale. Now we are in the product listing page. In this page, we need to optimize our listing for SEO. Optimizing your listing for SEO or search engine optimization means making changes to your product page so that it shows up higher in search results when people look for products like yours. The goal is to help potential customers find your product more easily, whether you are searching on Zazzle, Google, or other search engines. For those of you who are never heard the term SEO, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving the visibility of your online content in search engines like Google. When you optimize your listing for SEO, you use specific words called keywords and strategies that matches what people are searching for, making it more likely that products will appear at the top of search results. However, when it comes to ranking higher on Zazzle, there's more to it than just using the right keywords and having great designs. One of the key factors that Zazzle algorithm consider is sales performance. Simply put, the more products you sell, the higher it will rank in search result on Zazzle. So that is why it is crucial to focus not only creating your listing optimized, but also on driving those initial sales. A few strategies to achieve this could be promoting your products on social media, offering a limited time discount, or even sharing it with your email list if you have one. Every sale you make signals to Zazzle that your product is in demand, which can boost its visibility in the marketplace. So while keywords and design are essential, remember that getting those first sales is equally important for climbing the ranks on Zazzle marketplace. Speaking of promoting your products, I will be explaining how to promote your products the right way on social media on my new series Zazzle Corner that I will be launching next week. In this series, I will be sharing tips, strategies, and step-by-step guides to help you thrive in the Zazzle marketplace. So stay tuned for that. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Moving on. The last part in listing your product in Zazzle is deciding your royalty percentage. When you are setting the percentage, consider the product price in the marketplace and ensure its competitiveness while maintaining your profitability. Now, publish your product. Zazzle will tell you in a minute that your product is published. The next logical step is promoting your product. Before promoting though, you need to make sure your store is set properly and your product listing image is irresistible. Let's do that in the next step. To really make your product stand out, you need to create professional looking mockups. This helps your customers visualize what they are getting and can dramatically increase your conversion rate. Plus, it sets you apart from the crowd. To create this mockup, I download the image created by Zazzle, then remove the background by using the free Adobe Express background remover. Then I went to Canva and created a square blank design. To be exact, 1900 by 1900 pixel. Then I searched for background with office elements. I chose this background, then I upload the image without the background to this design and boom. But before we move, we need to make it as realistic as possible. To do that, go to edit image and use the shadow effect and adjust it as you like. And when you are happy, click the share button and download it as PNG. Then go to your product page, click Media Manager, then upload the image and it will automatically placed as primary image for your listing. For sure, this will set you apart from the crowd. So there you have it, a high demand, low competition product that you can start selling right now by focusing on the right keywords, creating a compelling cover, and using mockups that help you stand out. You will be able to rank higher, attract more customers, and boost your sales on Zazzle. This is the kind of strategy that can make you a real difference in your Zazzle business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any question. I'm here to help.